Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the key binding storage in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening the game's option menu. You can click here, press the escape button or the corresponding button on your controller or keyboard. Then go into Open Settings. In Settings, go to Keyboard and Mouse and under Global, locate the key binding storage. It is set to account by the default, but you can set it to computer or back to account. What does it mean? Well, if your keybinds are stored on your account, then no matter what device you are connecting from, your keybinds will remain the same. If it's set to computer, well, then of course that will not happen. It will be stored locally. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.